Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer ETF shares to iShares from Fidelity. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start your transfer of ETF shares from Fidelity to iShares, first, log into your Fidelity account. Locate the Accounts and Trade tab on the navigation menu. Click on Transfer from the drop-down options. Choose Transfer a brokerage account from the available selections. Select the account type that holds your ETF shares. In the next step, enter your iShares account information. Make sure to have your iShares account number handy for this step. Now, select the specific ETF shares you wish to transfer. Review any important information about the transfer process that may be displayed. Confirm that your shares are eligible for transfer by checking Fidelity's guidelines. Next, ensure that you have all necessary documents prepared for the transfer. This may include a recent account statement from iShares. Once all information is filled out, double-check the details for accuracy. If everything looks correct, proceed to submit your transfer request. Fidelity will process your transfer request after submission. You will receive confirmation once your shares have been successfully transferred. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your transfer status. Finally, once the transfer is complete, log into your iShares account to verify the arrival of your ETF shares. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.